Hello, and thank you so much for joining me here once again. In this segment, I'm just doing a couple of little garden chores and pulling some poppy seeds and also some African daisy seeds in this first segment. And the final little eggplant is going to be used in a special recipe later in this vlog. And I do apologize for the fuzziness of these outdoor videos. It was an extremely windy day and the camera was all over the place. But I think you can see what I'm doing here. And though it seems like the warmer summer months just flew by, I reminisce on the beautiful times I had with my family, my church family as well, and the deep conversations I had with friends who just honor peace. I look forward to the autumn season where I can equally enjoy these special moments. And one of the pumpkins I grew this summer, just looking so lovely. Now I thought I'd show you how I make just some simple lentil and eggplant balls that I'm going to be having with some pasta. I thought to show you how to do this because there's sometimes, we must improvise in life. And this is one of those times that I just chose to take something from the garden and create a nutritious and lovely meal. And earlier in the segment, you saw me picking some cardinal and sweet basil, as well as some oregano that I'm going to be using in this dish. And here are those wonderful fresh herbs that smell so divine. Hope my demonstration of how to make this recipe seems easy enough, but I'll still place the recipe on my website on the homepage, as well as on my Pinterest board called Everyday Recipes. And in goes the eggplant I picked earlier with the fresh herbs. And I couldn't find any breadcrumbs, so I thought I'd just use some of this kosher bread that I I like to eat with honey, but I also use it for when we're together um, and we have communion at home. So here I am trying to create some breadcrumbs with this kosher bread. And as you can see, the lentils are now finished. I would say they took about 15 to 20 minutes in the pressure cooker, and I'll be adding some of this to the eggplant in a little while. Now, for vegans, instead of using eggs, you can actually use the ground flats with water to tighten up the mixture. And for additional protein, you can add a little bit of protein powder to this mixture as well. And bake for about 25 minutes at 350 degrees. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful week, and I'll see you soon.